Hi there. So, for my project on energy, I am going to be doing the energy around cookies and how the oven translates energy to cookies and changes the form of cookies. So to get started, I'm going to get the oven preheated right here, and then I will be back shortly with the next steps. So while we wait for the cookies to bake, I did a little bit of research on what is taking place during the baking process of cookies. Some important things to note are that throughout the entire process of baking, no energy is gained or lost the entire time. All the energy that comes from the oven is transitioning to the cookie dough to help them bake and help them change form. When talking about them changing form, and more specifically phase change, is that you have parts of the cookie that are built into the dough changing their physical phase, and the base components of this that we think of is a solid, liquid, or gas. And in the cookie dough, we have multiple different pieces that are in multiple different phases. So we have the flour, for instance, which is a solid. We have the eggs that are a liquid, and so on and so forth. When the baking process is taking place, there's multiple phase changes happening, and that it eventually all converts into a solid, which is your final product of a cookie. Looking into specifically how much energy is used during this process, I found a study that roughly estimates that the amount of joules used in the baking process are about 460,240 joules, which I found very interesting because with all the calculations we've been doing, that does seem like quite a few. Here is our cookies, and here is our oven preheat to 350, and here they go on in, and we will be back with them in about 10 minutes. Now the moment we've been waiting for. We have our cookies here fresh out of the oven, and as you can see, they have changed form. And in that time, all of the thermal energy from the oven converged and built these beautiful creations. So I'm gonna enjoy these. Thank you for an awesome semester, and I'll see you later.